Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix CapCut no network without VPN. So if you are encountering the error no network while you are using your CapCut, just continue watching this video for you to be able to know how to fix it. So let's get on it. So the first thing that you need to do is you can try to switching the internet connection from mobile data to Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data, and vice versa. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and turn that off and then try using mobile data and see if that fixes the problem. And if it didn't, what you need to do next is to clear the memory of your CapCut. So just tap onto your settings on your device and then just scroll down until you see the app management. So tap onto your app management and then tap onto your app list. And then in here, what you need to do is to simply find the CapCut. So just wait and load it for a few seconds. So tap into your CapCut just like that, and then you can go ahead and tap onto the storage and clear the data and clear the cache of the CapCut app. So after that, you can go ahead and open again your CapCut and see if that fixes the problem. And if it didn't, what you can do next is you can try reinstalling the app or rebooting the phone, because sometimes this easy fix might solve your problem. So you can go ahead and uninstall the CapCut app and then install it again from your App Store or Play Store and see if that fixes the problem. And you can also try to upgrade first the CapCut. So to try and upgrade the CapCut, tap onto your Play Store and then just simply search in CapCut app in here. So CapCut, like that, and try to see if an update is available, and if an update is available, you can go ahead and install it. So that's it for this video, and you can try those fixes if you are having that error on your CapCut. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.